So far, I've been drawing notes and saying whether or not the second note is higher or lower than the first note. But in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how much higher or how much lower that note is. So this is going to be a video on numbering the space or the interval between the two notes. Okay, so how about this? So if you have, say you have a note in this space, and when you see a note in that space, you play this piano key. Okay, so this piano key. And if you have a note here in this space next, well, that's in the very same space. So you just play the piano key once again. And let's put a number on there, and that's the number 1. And that is the interval of a first, although it's more often called a unison than a first. And then let's go to a second. So say that this space is this key. Then when you go to this line here, that's this key, and that we can count 1, 2. So this is a second, and this is going up because of course we're going from here up to there. Okay, and then if you have, say that this line here is this key, then this note up here is this key, because this is 1 is here, a second would be here. That would get us this far, but we're going even further to this one. So it's pretty straightforward. We're simply numbering how far we're jumping up or down. Let's go, this was a third going up. Okay. So on the piano, if you go from here to here, that's a second going up. On the lines, that would look like this. 1's on a line, and then you'd be going up to the next space. Or if let's say that this piano key here is this space, then this piano key here is this line. Okay, and similarly, going from here to here, that's a third. Here to there, that's a fourth. Okay, let's go down. Well, let's say you're here, and that is this piano key. So I'm just making these up as far as which piano key it is. We'll do the specific lines and spaces later. But okay, so if you have a note that's here, well, that's the same one. That's a unison. And then if you were to go from there to there, well, now we're going down, and that's a 1, 2. That's a second. So 1, 2 going down. We've just gotten from there to there. And if we're going from, say this is this piano key. If we're going from there to here, well, that's a third going down. We've gone 1, 2, 3 to there. And just look, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I think we're getting the hang of it. How about a fourth going down? Okay, let's change the color. Say this line is this piano key, and I want to play a fourth down. So this is first, this is second, this is third, and this area down here, this is the fourth. And maybe you could figure that out without the numbers. I mean, this is a third because, well, that's a third when we skip from line to line. And one more than a third is a fourth. And on the piano, that's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going down. So this music, we play first this piano key, and then after that we play this piano key. And these are intervals. Intervals are the distance between two piano keys or two notes on the lines and spaces.